You are the artist of your life, so don't give the paintbrush to anyone else. If someone constantly pays attention to what others say about them, they will never be able to find inner peace. Of all the liars in the world, the worst are our own fears. If you tell the truth, it becomes a part of your past. But if you lie, it becomes a part of your future. From the errors of others, a wise man corrects his own. One of the happiest moments in life is when you find the courage to let go of what you can't change. Don't waste your time to fight with egos and small minds. Diamonds are found only in the dark places of the earth. Truths are found only in the depth of thought. Don't believe in luck, just believe in hard work. Never be a prisoner of your past. It was just a lesson, not a life sentence. Confuse them with your silence and shock them with your actions. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act but a habit. I automatically go silent when I hear something that hurt my feelings. Knowledge is of no value unless you put it into practice. Give the gift of your absence to those who don't appreciate your presence.